Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. So today, let's talk about the power of a highlighter. I first saw this on Andrea Ali. She is a makeup artist out of Paris, and it just looked stunning. She called it jewelry for your face. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how she applied it, and I actually have the same one that she was using. So this one is by Rare Beauty. It is so pretty. Let me show it to you, but I want to show you how it can just add life to your face and just dress up whatever look that you have. So the first thing that she recommended in her video is that you take a kind of, well, I'm gonna use this one, fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna dab it right into here, but you put it on the high parts of your face. So if you look, I'm gonna add it right here. Look at how stunning that sheen is. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side. Just look at that. It just adds the most beautiful, radiant glow. Okay, the other spot that she added it to is she just took her finger and she added it to the bridge of her nose. She said that this adds some youth to your face. And then she took a small brush and she added it to the inner corner of your eye to kind of lighten up your, wow, that really does lighten up your eye. Lighten up your eye. And then the fluffy side of my brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it underneath my brow bone. Like so. And then she also recommended with your finger, you put it right on the top of your Cupid's bow. Like that. So it draws your face in. You can also, she used it as with this edge, she put it on the bottom of her eyes to kind of brighten it up. Like you would do that kind of Tarte pencil that everybody uses in the white to kind of brighten underneath your eyes. Of course, you don't have to do all of these. Like you could just do one or two. And then the last thing she did was she said, don't judge. But one thing she loves to do on makeup set is she puts her finger in and she rubs it all over her lips or her client's lips. Like that. And then she added a clear gloss, but I'm going to add this Fresh Fetish by Milani that I've been loving to the top of it to create the most gorgeous just lip look. And it just makes it very shiny, whatever you add it to the base of. So this is all the things that just having a highlighter can do to your face. Like I said, you don't have to do all of them, but if you like what you saw, I'd love for you to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.